Yo YouTube, what is going on? So you found this video because you want to know how to get free Spotify Premium, and I've discovered a brand new working method for 2024, and this is going to get you a free premium subscription. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone. So you can see here I've got an iPhone that I'm going to be recording, but yeah, you just follow the instructions and it doesn't matter if you have an Android, it still works. So this works for obviously iOS and Android. So go to this website on your mobile phone, www.wavycoupons.com. So you've got to go to wavycoupons.com, guys. This website, and obviously you've got to basically look for this Spotify page. You can do so by scrolling down, or just go to the search bar and type in Spotify, and you're looking for the Spotify Premium Codes page. Click on that. Now you can see this code at the top. It says this is a free 6 months Spotify Premium subscription. So this is a simple promo code that you can literally redeem in the Spotify app or on the website, and it's going to give you a free 6 months premium subscription. So you've got to get your code, guys. Obviously these codes are pretty desirable, so you've got to click on show coupon and you have to unlock your code. And yeah, I've already got premium, so I'm not going to waste it, but basically you're going to need to tap the unlock code button, and yeah, when this reaches 100%, you're going to be greeted by a new page, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to just complete a couple of free tasks to verify yourself, and that's going to get you a 6 months Spotify Premium subscription for completely free. So you've got to go to wavycoupons.com and just follow the instructions, and that is how you can get your free Spotify Premium membership. Pretty easy, and that saves you a bunch of money, so I think it's well worth it. It takes about 10 minutes, which is not long at all, and it's going to save you a bunch. So yeah, enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time.